Hey, my name is Jenny. I'm making a video screen recording of my computer screen to show, to give a tutorial of Google Docs. A lot of people are not understanding this. I've run into a lot of people that aren't understanding this, so maybe I can help out a little bit. First we're going to start by just opening up Google. So if you just type google.com into your URL, open up Google, you'll get this page, of course. At the top, you'll see apps. This button here. You're going to click on Google Drive. Now, if you don't have a Google Drive account yet, it's super easy to make. You just put in your email, blah, 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 you get an account. And this is what your home page will look like. Sorry, my computer's a little slow. My internet's a little slow. First thing you would do, these are all recent files that are open. This isn't what yours will look like. There won't be any documents files open right here. But to start, all you have to do is press new right here in the top left corner. You just press new, and it'll ask you, do you want a new Google Doc, a new Google Sheet, Google Slide? Google Slide is very similar to PowerPoint. It doesn't have as many options as you would like when it comes to themes, formats, stuff like that, but it does have a lot of the basics. And the cool thing about using Google Slides is that multiple people can work on this together from different computers. As long as they have internet, Google Drive, and they can sign in, and you can share this. If you look at the top right corner where my mouse is, it says share. So after you're done making your presentation, you press share, and we'll save that, of course. And then you enter in all the email addresses, Google email addresses. You can send it to email addresses that aren't necessarily Google. You can send it to them, and they will get the site. They will get the URL for it, but they won't be able to edit it unless they have Google Slides itself, unless they have a Google Drive account themselves. So here, you can also get the shareable link right here. You just copy and paste that, and here you can also change from can view to can edit, can comment, so whoever has the URL can do these things. So of course, you want to keep it for can view for people that you don't know who have something, you want to share it and you don't want them editing it. But you can you want to share it with your class, your group, you press can edit. That way everybody who has this URL, now you just copy and paste this anywhere, and they just click on that URL, and it sends them straight to your Google Slides. It's really cool. It's over the internet. It's like having, it's pretty much like a cloud up in the air with all your stuff in it. There's another one, we can switch over to Google Docs. As you know, this is going to be similar to Word Docs, but this, just like Slides, isn't going to have as many options when it comes to making your document. There's not as many tools that you can use like normal Word Doc, but you can make resumes, you can make letters. They have all kinds of little themes pointed out for you already. Just not as many options, but you start out blank, and you can do the same thing as you did with your slides. And this is what this will look like when you pull it up. We'll hurry. And we can do the same thing. We can share up in the top right. You can also comment. That's a big thing. Like, instead of, like, let's say there was a bunch of stuff written here, and instead of deleting something and replacing it with something that you think should go there, maybe you should comment first and see what the rest of the group says about your change, and then comment. Or, you can make little comments here and there whenever you're rough drafting. You want to, if you're proofreading for someone, you can write little comments on the side. Cool. It's a pretty cool tool to use. I have also used what's called Google Forms. So I'm just going to type in Google Forms in the tab. This one is a little bit newer. Same thing, same sharing applies. You can work on it at the same time. Now, I use this for my worksheets. Everybody can get to it online. This form can be shared with multiple people, and each person can fill out the form individually, and I can read all of the responses. As you see here, I've made a worksheet for my previous class. For my previous presentation, I had to make a survey for my class to answer so I can build my presentation on their feedback that they gave me. And here is my worksheet that I made with Google Forms. And the way you share this one is you press send on the top right, and it gives you the Google linker, and you just copy and paste that just like you did before with the URL. It gives you a URL to the worksheet, and you can collect usernames of the people that fill out your survey, or you can leave it anonymous. Mine's anonymous. But here, send via link, you press that, you copy and paste your link URL, and anybody can access it. Pretty cool. You can read, here are all my responses. They're all anonymous, but you can always make it to where they have to send an email. So you get to read all of your responses. And if you made them fill out their name first, of course you're going to see their name, their response. It's pretty cool. If you have any other questions, just email me. And as you're working on any document, form, slides, you saw there's also Excel. And like I said before, you probably want to use Excel, normal Excel, instead of Google Sheets. Google Sheets is like the others. It doesn't have as many options, and it doesn't do as many things as normal Excel, but y'all get to share it online and work on it together. And as you work on things, y'all can work on it all together. You will see who else is working on the same document as you. Y'all can work on the same document together, and it'll change as you go. And it saves it as you go. You never have to press save. It always saves everything you do. But that's it. If you have any questions, just email me. Thank you so much for watching.